what I would like to do this week is to go short Brent crude oil. Now, there are several reasons. One is that the rally we saw over the last few days because of heightened geopolitical tensions, in my opinion, is going to soon start to fizzle out, really, and that the longer-term downtrend for the oil price is more likely to continue than not, simply because there's still a lot of supply out there and demand is relatively weak for the time being. And also from a technical perspective, if we looked at my chart here, we can see that the rally from the mid-December low can be subdivided into three legs. And this could be a zigzag correction or an Elliott wave A, B, C correction in the direction of the trend, meaning this is a small counter trend correction, which may fail around previous resistance, as you can see here, and then we resume the downtrend. So because we're trending lower and because we have been trending lower, if I actually zoom out all the way to June of last year, you can see here we have a series of lower highs and lower lows. And yes, we're trying to rise above this high here, but right now we haven't really managed to do that. So that's the reason why I want to go short the oil price. I think we will head back down towards just below the psychological $60 mark. And you can see here we've got really good support going back towards April of last year. So we're talking between $58 and $60 as a downside target. Now, where's our stop? As you know, our stop is always very important. Well, if we want to go short here, and just in case that geopolitical tensions continue to be quite high, we want to have a relatively wide stop. I want to have it above these previous lows here, which could act as resistance going forward, and also these highs here going back to May and June. So my stop would probably be just above this 9th of October high at just around $66.40 on this daily financial bed. And when we look at last week's trade of the week, what we can see is that we went long the Dow Jones Industrial Average, as you can see here, at 4,823. Now what you can do is either move your stop up to below the low seen on Thursday. That way you would make a percentage profit on there. You could cash it in now, in which case you're making around 2.4% profit on that trade, or you could let it run and have still our target at 49,930 in your minds. So this week's trade of the week for me would be to go short the Brent crude oil price around $63 on the daily financial bed, with a stop loss around $66.40 and a downside target in the $59 range.